opened up a junk drawer, one stuffed with old receipts, single socks, birthday cards, and keys to who knows what? Now imagine being told to organize it, with no labels, no instructions, just a big jumble. Most of us would stare blankly and think, where do I even begin? Today, we're unraveling the secret behind how AIs do the impossible. They learn from mountains of tangled, messy data. No neat folders, no instructions, just raw, unfiltered info. How do they turn that chaos into understanding? Let's break this down with a real-world story. Imagine you inherit a mystery box from your great-aunt. Inside, photos, birthday cards, receipts from 1994, and a sock that definitely isn't yours. Your mission: figure out what these things mean and how they're connected, using only the clues you find. Sounds impossible? For AIs, this is just another Tuesday. See, while we humans look for familiar faces or handwriting, a machine has to invent its own way of seeing meaning in the mess. And it does something clever. It organizes, groups, and slowly pulls out structure from the messiness. It tries to answer, what things are alike? What keeps popping up? Are there patterns I can use to predict what's what? Let's use a powerful analogy. Imagine you're in a new city where you don't understand the language, but you want to fit in. You watch what people wear, when people eat, which buses are crowded at which hours. Slowly, even without speaking a word, you start to notice routines and habits. AIs do something similar. They spot patterns, commonalities, and even the rare oddballs by watching the data live its life. But here's where things get wild. Data in the real world is messy. Think of all the apps on your phone, texts, photos, music, random reminders. The AI faces data just as tangled and chaotic. So how does it cut through the mess? It starts by looking for clues. Maybe it notices that all emails with the word party also talk about cake, or that every time someone mentions invoice, there's a phone number nearby. The more connections it notices, the more confident it becomes in sorting and understanding the data. Over time, the AI begins to see shape in the chaos. It's as if it finds invisible threads tying similar things together. It groups items, finds relationships, and like a detective, builds a theory about what's important. And sometimes, it even finds something unexpected, a hidden pattern or an outlier that no one saw coming. What's the trick? The AI never gives up on the riddles. It keeps testing ideas, checking, does this go with that? And learning from each attempt. If it gets something wrong, it doesn't panic. It tries a new path. It's as if the machine is playing 20 questions with your junk drawer, asking, does this belong here? What happens if I try putting these together? Now you might be thinking, why does this matter?